In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Holo AI account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in try holo.ai. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Holo AI. In order to create the account for yourself, what you have to do is simply buy the subscription. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for buy now. Simply click on it, or you can also click on this option buy now that you can see right over here on your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the pricing over here. Along with that, you'll also be able to see the features of the Holo AI. So simply scroll down. Now after you read all these informations, what you have to do is click on this option redeem that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to see the pricing options. Simply click on the option of your choice and click on this option buy now that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll have to add the payment method. If you have the coupon code, you'll be able to add the coupon code over here. Or if you do not have the coupon code and if you want to buy it with your GPay or Apple Pay, you can also click on these options. Likewise, you can also use your card in order to pay for the Holo AI. For that, what you have to do is enter your card informations over here. Enter the credit or debit card number. Likewise, enter the expiry date and security code over here. After you do that, simply enter your email address. Now once you provide all these informations, click on this option submit payment that you can see on the screen. Now this particular payment method will be used in order to pay. Now after the transaction is completed, your account will be created. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create Holo AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.